Let's talk about improving your facial structure and getting a sharper jawline. Mewing, or keeping your tongue on the roof of your mouth, is the key. But let's make sure you're doing it right. First things first, let's unravel those 5 common mistakes people often make during mewing. Breaking them down will pave the way for quicker and more noticeable improvements. Step 1. Proper tongue placement. Mewing isn't just about pressing your tongue hard against your mouth's roof. Doing so might cause discomfort and give your face an odd structure. The secret? Keep your tongue behind your teeth, not touching them. This simple adjustment prevents strain and keeps you feeling comfy. Step 2. Avoiding jaw pressure. Pressing your tongue excessively hard against the roof, especially pushing it forward, can spell trouble for your teeth and muscles. Your tongue should be like a silent supporter, positioned behind your teeth, distributing pressure evenly. Step 3. Full tongue engagement. Imagine mewing with only the tip of your tongue. Not the best approach. It could lead to unbalanced forces, causing muscle tension and asymmetry. To avoid this, ensure your entire tongue is up against the palate, creating a harmonious force distribution. Step 4. Swallowing with ease. Swallowing might seem like a straightforward task, but doing it wrong during mewing can mess with your results. Instead of just pressing the tip of your tongue against the roof, try a more relaxed approach. Allow your tongue to move freely during swallowing for consistent and effective results. Step 5. Maintaining a closed mouth. Closing your mouth might seem like a small detail, but it's a crucial one. It could be a bit challenging initially, but keeping your mouth from being wide open is key for that chiseled jawline you're aiming for. Less gap between your upper and lower teeth equals more effective mewing. And now, let's shift our focus to breathing. The way you breathe plays a significant role in maintaining the right tongue posture. Breathing through your nose is like giving your tongue a comfy home against the roof. On the flip side, breathing through your mouth might mess with your facial growth, so it's a habit worth reconsidering. Remember, steering clear of these mewing mistakes isn't just about avoiding blunders. It's about setting the stage for the sharp jawline you've always dreamed of. So, let's wave goodbye to those habits, and here's to your exciting journey toward a more defined facial structure. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this mewing guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like the next video to cover. Until then, take care and keep smiling.